In this video, I will explain the requirements you must meet in order to be eligible to sit for the CPA exam and be licensed as a CPA in the state of Texas. So, keep watching. Hey future CPAs, this is Eligibility. I'm a licensed CPA in the state of Colorado and I help students pass the CPA exam and become CPAs. If this is your first time here and you're interested in becoming CPAs, start by subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell in order not to miss any of my videos. To qualify to apply to sit for the CPA exam in Texas, there are certain requirements you must meet. Comment below and tell me if you are planning to apply to Texas State Board of Accountancy. Now, Texas does not have any age or citizenship or residency requirements to sit for the exam. However, Texas requires you to have a United States Social Security number for licensing purposes. With that said, Texas is not suitable for international candidates who do not have a Social Security number. If you want other state options that are more suitable for international CPA candidates, watch this video which I give you some other options. Now, with respect to the educational requirements you must meet to sit for the CPA exam in Texas, you must hold a baccalaureate degree or higher from a recognized institution by Texas Board of Accountancy. In addition, also, you must have at least 150 credit hours, which must include 30 semester hours of accounting courses above introductory courses, out of which 15 credit hours must be in face-to-face courses. These 30 accounting hours must include 2 credit hours in accounting or taxation research. Examples of courses that count in the 30 hours of accounting are intermediate accounting, advanced accounting, accounting theory, managerial accounting, cost accounting, internal accounting control, risk assessment, managerial or cost accounting, and financial statement analysis. Also, you must have 24 semester hours in upper level related business courses. 2 hours must be in accounting or business communications. And you must also have a 3 semester hour board approved ethics course. If you studied outside the United States, your credentials must be evaluated by Texas State Board of Accountancy to determine if the degree are equivalent to a US degree or not. An important note here is that Texas Board of Accountancy does not accept evaluations from international credential services. Does that make sense? Comment below and tell me if you meet these educational requirements or not. So, these are the requirements to apply to sit for the CPA exam in Texas. An important note I want to mention here is that this state allows you to sit for the CPA exam in the United States and in international locations as well. To learn how to apply for the CPA exam and schedule the exams, get my free CPA exam application cheat sheet from the link in the description below. It is totally free and it gives you the steps you must follow to apply and schedule your CPA exams. Concerning the licensing requirements, they are different from the CPA exam requirements. Watch this video to learn the differences between the CPA sitting requirements and CPA licensing requirements. To be licensed in Texas, you must meet the 4 E requirements, which are: E number 1, Texas requires you to have a minimum of 150 credit hours to be licensed. Now, this requirement actually is the same as the exam sitting requirement, since Texas already requires you to have 150 credit hours to sit for the exam. E number 2 you must meet for licensing is passing the 4 parts of the CPA exam. To learn the 4 parts of the CPA exam, watch this video which I explain those 4 parts. And to get tips and tricks to pass the 4 parts of the CPA exam, make sure to watch these 4 videos which I gave you tips and tricks to pass the FAR part of the exam, audit part of the exam, RIC part of the exam, and BEC part of the exam. The 3rd E you must meet to be licensed in Texas is the ethics exam. You must pass the Texas Rules of Professional Conduct exam, which is an open book examination with a passing score of 85. And finally, the 4th E you must meet in order to be licensed is the experience requirement. You must have 1 year of full-time non-routine accounting work experience under the direct supervision of a licensed CPA who is responsible for supervising, evaluating, and reviewing your work. This experience shall consist of 12 months of full-time employment or part-time employment that extends over a period of not less than 1 year and not more than 3 years. And this experience must include a minimum of 2,000 hours of work. Non-routine accounting involves attest services or professional accounting services or professional accounting work. It also includes the use of independent judgment, applying entry-level or higher professional accounting knowledge and skills to select, correct, organize, interpret, and present real-world data such as accounting entries, reports, statements, and others. Comment below and tell me if you meet the licensing requirements for Texas Board of Accountancy. Watch this video to learn my CPA exam success story. And get my CPA exam success book from Amazon today. It's in the link below. So go ahead and get this book. In this book, I explain how I was able to pass the CPA exam despite the difficulties I faced in my life, and how my study schedules and study plans exactly looked like. So go ahead and get this book. The link is in the description below. My next video will be about Maryland CPA exam requirements, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the bell to receive this video as soon as I upload the video. Watch this video which I gave you tips and tricks to increase your CPA exam score, and this video which I gave you tips and tricks to study smarter for the exam. Remember, go after what you want, pass the CPA exam because you can become CPAs and save the world.